Spirituality as a field of study has been recently explored in the shade of Indian psychology. Indian psychology is an emerging field that struggles to be recognized as scientific and logical. It requires empirical data and experiment based research to support the wisdom provided in the Indian text, also known as Vedas and Upanishads. This need brings me to our book of the day, Inner Engineering, A Yogi's Guide to Joy, by Sadhguru. Sadhguru is known as an author, a yogi, a mystic, and a guru of modern India. His book, Inner Engineering, is a spiritual guide with practices and explanations for one to reach his or her maximum potential. The book opens up with Sadhguru's spiritual journey of how he attained enlightenment and the changes that followed. Later, the book is divided into two parts. First part includes practices and explanations to the foundation for your spiritual process. The second part includes the theory and model of Panchakosha that takes you further in your spiritual journey. I personally don't buy into the whole story about Sadhguru's enlightenment and the vivid turn of events after that. I do not recommend you to believe or follow the author for every word as it is. Once we skip the magical part and be a little open-minded, the book is filled with effective and efficient mindfulness practices and explanations that I personally find very logical and rational. The theory of Panchakosha is an underknown model of human existence given in the Taittiriya Upanishad. The theory is well known between the scholars of Indian psychology and yogis. I won't comment on how scientific the book is, but from the viewpoint of Indian psychology, it is a treasure mine for practices and tools which can be very helpful for researchers and practitioners. While reading the book, you can be very skeptical of all the things, or you can be perceptive and understand the hidden benefits of it. It highly depends from person to person of how the book may seem to you. For me, it was a wonderful read and a helpful guide. To conclude, the book is a New York Times bestseller that sold over 3 lakh copies and has been translated into 20 different languages. Do read the book and let me know about your views in the comment section.